Hey guys, this is Ray. Here it is, its first maiden flight after having been taken apart to be painted black. Yes, I know, I gotta get the carbon fiber prop and probably paint the battery. I'm just testing the VPS to see if it is working, and it seems to be doing okay. So I didn't paint over the lens and the sensor. Now let's see. Trying to do this with one hand and video at the same time. Again, here is the Phantom, all the way at I don't know, about 100 feet, speck in the sky. I can actually see it better than I normally do when it is painted white. I'll bring it down some. Oh, good. I think.